Alright, and welcome to my tutorial on how to create custom AI. What we are going to be doing is creating custom actors and custom actor variants and putting them in Sapien, and we're going to learn a couple other fun things with AI. Alright, first we're going to create the custom actors and actor variants, and we're going to do that in Guerilla. So you're going to want to make a new actor. Well, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open up another one. If you need an actor, just get some tags from the Ghost's full tag set. Has all the tags missing from the heck. So I'm gonna make a grunt actor variant. So I'm gonna go in here and we're just gonna make the grunt a little better because they're kind of stupid in the one they're in now. We want to make them a lot better. So when we open up the actor, I'm just gonna save it just in case I accidentally save over my good one. I'm gonna put it in my actor variants. We're gonna make a pink grunt. I can change his color, so I'm just gonna save him in there. And we're just gonna change his distance. It's how far he can see. And let's bring it up to 100. As that says there, it's the horizontal distance. You can see our targets at a maximum range. So I don't really want to mess with that. I'm just going to bring it up though, just in case. Bring that up to 90. Now, we want to make him hear better, so he can hear gunshots being fired and go to whoever's firing at him. There's not really much we can do in the actor section, because more of it's an actor variant that we can make him a lot better. So I'm probably just going to save our changes and start on an actor variant. So we're going to open up the grunt minor. I'm going to do a need or actor variant. And we're just going to save this. And here, I'm going to make this pink grunt. I'm going to save it. Now these are the actor definitions. We're going to want to change his actor since we just made a new one. There. I don't really want to mess with... Oh, that's the major variant. We'll make that. I'm just going to open that for now. Alright. So this is our pink grunt we're working on right now. And here you can change his weapon, but we're just going to leave him with a needler. And the maximum firing distance, well, we know the needler can fire further than that. I don't know the exact distance, but I'm just going to put in 50. Now it's ready to fire. Now be careful with this, because he will fire faster than the gun allows him to. So you can get he'll use the pistol automatically if you give him a pistol. So really, I don't want to mess with this, but the further down you bring it, as the tooltip suggests there, is the faster he shoots. So I'm just going to bring this down about 4. Now this is an error. Now if we want this AI to be perfect, we'd change that to 0. But I'm going to make it 0.25 because we don't want this guy to be too strong. You can go ahead and change it, but I'm planning to make this for a tutorial. Or not a tutorial, campaign. First burst delay time. Don't want to mess with that. This is the tracking and the leading. Now, see on the tooltip it says how well we track our moving targets. If it's on 0, he'll just keep shooting in the same spot where the person was when he started the burst. So if we put it on 1, he'll follow them. If we put the leading on 1, he'll predict them completely, as the tooltip suggests. Now, damage modifier, it makes his weapon weaker. If we put the 0, there's no modifier on it at all, which that's probably what I'm going to do, to be sure. I don't want to mess with the damage per second. Now we'll go down and check out this. Now here's his grenades, and I'm gonna do one thing up here. I'm gonna give him infinite grenades. There, alright. That way he can throw as many as he wants, just for fun. Bring up the speed just a tiny bit. Grenade ranges, how far can he throw it? We'll change that to about 20. I'm gonna make them so you. I'm just gonna leave that alone. Actually, they throw grenades a pretty good amount already. Now here's his grenade count. How many he normally has? It doesn't really matter because we just gave him infinite, but just for how many jumps. And you can make them a little tougher if you want. I'll just bring it up. Now I'm just gonna leave it. He's gonna be too strong. Now here's where we add the pink color. So we're gonna click add. And in here we're gonna click that color. Now the top color, this first box, is usually a bit of a brighter color than we want. So we're gonna go here and make this a bit darker. There. And now our active variant is ready. And now I'm just gonna minimize this for a second and open it up. I think this is our major active variant. Nope, that's our minor. There's our major, so we're gonna save him. And we're gonna put him into my folder. Active variants. I'm gonna put Pink Grunt Major Nidar. Save. Now since there's no major for him, we just leave that blank. But I'm pretty sure you can have multiple ranks, like the elites, if you keep putting major variants in there, but I'm not sure, I never tried it. And, now that we have that saved, I'm going to change the major variant on this to the one we just saved. Otherwise, if our guy gets a promotion, he'll suck if we made him a lot stronger on this one. So, we want to make his major actually a lot better than the minor. So, we're going to pick the major and save this and finally close it. And now we can change the major. He's going to have unlimited grenades and heck, we'll give him an active camouflage too. Yes, maybe make him a bit stronger. Alright. Now his firing distance, we're going to make it probably 55. Rate of fire. I think I told you the wrong thing. Rate of fire, the higher it is, the faster he shoots it. But yet if it's 0, pretty sure it's continuously held down. Yeah, 0 is like the fastest. He'll just hold it down so it's like automatic. And I'll bring this up. Make him stronger, make him 10. No error on this guy because he's good. And we'll make him better with that. No modifier on his damage, so. Alright. Now, on for the grenades. We'll make this a bit faster than our other friend we had. Just gotta put all this through. I'll make this 25 because our last one was 20. Alright. Now, you can see they already have a changed colors here for the major. The minor, the reason the minor didn't have any is because I'm pretty sure stored in the active variant you can have change colors. And we didn't change it, so we'll just change it on both active variants and it'll work fine. Alright. So, we'll just bring this over. Since we don't want our major to look just like the other one, pink, we'll change him. We'll use a teal color, it might look cool. I never tried that before. We'll just darken that a bit. And a little more. Done. Now we'll save and close that. So I think we took care of our active variants. Just want to open this guy, see how he's doing. Alright. See some flags here, maybe there's something fun we can mess around with. We don't want him to be dumb and dive off ledges, so we'll uncheck that, I guess. We want him to avoid his friend's line of fire so he don't get shot. Maybe crouch one and, well, grunts can't crouch, so I guess we won't do that. Alright. So I think that's pretty much all I want to mess with him. Alright. Apparently they don't have the change colors in here. It must have been somewhere else stored. But that's alright. It might be in the biped file actually. I'm gonna save changes just for fun. And now, I think I missed something in the major. Yeah, wait. The actor definition was changed. We're just gonna use the same actor definition, so you don't have to make a whole new one. So we're gonna go up, go into my actor variants, pink grunt, and grunt miner. Now here's his biped. I'll see if there's anything we want changed in there. My computer's going slow. There we go. There we go. Right here, the biped. And yep, there are permutations right there for change colors. That's where the change colors for the orange is. And we don't really need a default for our guys because as a miner, he already has his colors changed. So it really doesn't matter. Now we can change the default team here if we want to be on a human team, but I guess we'll make them friendly. So we'll save this biped as another one, so we can make them friendly to the player. I don't know why, but sometimes it's causing problems. I think it might be some extra value I'm not sure of that's stored inside the marine, but I'm gonna save this as gruntfriend.biped. Now let's see what the marine has, so we can see his actor variant and try making him a team with the grunt in the player, because the marines already are teamed with Master Chief. So if we check out these bipeds, we might be able to change that so the grunt is friends. And I think it's just in that default team. I think that's all it's in. So we'll just go down. And I never tried that, but you could probably change the Marines colors. But go ahead and try. I'm not gonna mess with that right now. Alright. So where's our default team? He's on human. So bring that down. I'll change this while I'm over here. We're gonna change that to be for the biped we just made. Right there, grunt friend. And save. Here, I'm just gonna do this so I can compare and see. Alright, so we want to change this guy to be human. Alright. Now, these guys, the Marines, are more detailed, so we don't need integrated light power. I think that's a flashlight. And we don't need cam blink because the grunts obviously don't have eyelids when you look at them in the game. Alright, that's probably all we have to worry about here. That's a default weapon there. You can change that anytime, but it doesn't really matter for us because no matter what we do with that, we could give him like a battle rifle and it won't change much. Purely because we already changed any active variant. Alright, so that's pretty much all we're gonna do on that. I'm gonna save that. If I change this, I'm not gonna save it. Alright, it didn't save. Good. Alright, so the next step. Just go check for some last changes before we move on to Sapien and get them in the game. Just making sure everything's gonna work right. Alright, so I'm gonna name this the teal grunt because he's not really pink in this one. There, I'm gonna go up on this too and change that. Just because now he's not pink either, both times. Alright. We're gonna rename that to friendly grunt. Okay. Now I think we're done. Alright, now I think my Sapien's gonna take forever to load up, but so I'm just gonna pause the recording until then.